Alright, what's up guys? As you can see, I got my BCGs on. I started the soft wash. I'm hitting about 3% on this. As you can see, we got a bunch of red algae, so I just increased my surfactant, so it's gonna get all that nasty gum up. But yeah, stay tuned. During, before. Alright guys, as you can see, we are now done with the soft wash. Now we're just using the ball valve to rinse. Check out the side here, how much more cleaner it is, how nice it is. I think the customer is going to be very, very happy with the result. Alright guys, so this is the end result. The difference is really night and day. And just to think that I did this with a $400 homemade soft wash system. I will say I'm about to do some upgrades, upgrade the reels and hose and some other stuff for my soft wash system and pressure washer. But this is it. Getting it done. Sorry guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks. Have a good day.